Okay, just checking. Come, know your birthday gone, so I was wondering,
Independence time.
Christmas is coming. That's what I can't wait for Christmas this year. I don't know what it is.
Really?
Yes. So eager. Like this morning, like a breeze was blowing outside, and I was like, this reminds me of
Christmas?
Yes. So I'm waiting patiently.
So just start by present and give out then some money since you want to usher in Christmas. Me believe you, me agree.
I would like
buy present and come in and say, Merry Christmas, Aubrey.
You get a present. You get a present.
Merry Christmas, Arrow. Merry Christmas. Yeah.
I was more thinking that I was very hopeful that the presents that were bought for me last year would be ushered in by the
You're ungrateful.
The one from Africa, but
me and Spencer fight with. No, ungrateful.
African gifts are still in Africa, but
ungrateful. Them come and make it them way.
I'm just gonna really.
Yeah, cause you're ungrateful.
Is that the update?
You're ungrateful.
You gave them away.
Ungrateful man.
How am I ungrateful again?
I tell you. You just hurt back my feelings all over again. You just get over it and you just break me out.
All right. Morning to our friends on social media.
Sure.
I don't know if you've been following this story. It's about 1.5 years in the making. 2 years, Marvin. Delia sent a barrel for me 2 years ago from Africa.
And she wasn't grateful.
She went to Africa, came back empty-handed.
I didn't come back empty-handed.
Said the stuff was in transit.
I came back with a receipt for things that were sent via shipment. But she never grateful.
Who you show that receipt to?
She never grateful.
She's a lying, wicked child.
She never grateful. All the customs man come here, me tell the man say me have a problem. She never grateful.
You do have a problem. It's called
Simone never grateful.
Pathological mendacity.
Never grateful. So
anywho, people out there on social media and online, televisionjamaica.com, onespotmedia.com. Good morning. If you're on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, or what I leave out, Insta, morning to you too. Good to have you on board. With us this morning at the end of July, wherever you are in the world. Today should be the 31st, if even for a little bit longer. And it is the eve of
Emancipation
Day. Correct. Haven't heard very much about, I don't know if it's low-key because I haven't had my ears to the ground, but emancipation and independence this year, don't really get the feel of it. But again, could just be me. Why we don't play some old, what you call them? Festival song.
This is the land of my birth.
Yes, pull up a Eric Donaldson now.
This is the land of my birth.
So we can start to get in the spirit of
it. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica.
Da 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 da. Is that your favorite festival song?
Kitty, doo 22 years salute.
We are no more little youth for the country. Well, we passed 22, long time.
In this Isle of Caribbean.
That's gone back to Smack.
Praises. We are 25.
Thank you. Delia's doing a medley. I mean, I know we're going to start tomorrow, but we can usher it in, as Harris would say. See, just feel more like it now.
Big tune.
Turn up. I believe in the black, the green, the gold, I say. Oh, when I reach, I say.
Yes. There's a big line in it.
Several.
Say we are poor, but the progress you make, my friends, is not always how rich you are.
I got
big it. Line. Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line. Big line.
Land, you know them tune here? Whatever. This is the land of my birth. So here's what's going on Smile Jamaica this morning. Today's show, keep it going. Great music. Free paper, soon born-ish. With just a couple of weeks left of summer, we have got a couple of back-to-school stops with Chris and Cool. Over to you, Miss Harris.
Mental health issues during and after pregnancy. We'll be talking about that. Also, the matter of frequent landfill fires and prevention. That's in our 7 o'clock block, so don't miss it. It affects us
That is all. A part of the land of our birth as well. Several issues. Then we're going to take a flight back in time with this summer day in history.
Simple art and craft to keep your kids engaged at home. this holiday.
All right, and we've got FunFest in there as well. FunFest is coming up. Gosplash coming up with CC Winans.
Yeah.
It's going to be fantastic.
But first, we have some hot topics.
All right. So, Dr. Andrew Wheatley says he has decided to step aside to allow for the issues surrounding the management of the energy, science, and technology portfolio to be ventilated. News of his resignation. Was it really a resignation?
Yes.
Okay.
He wrote a letter.
Okay. All right. Resignation. Okay. Came yesterday. This is weeks after calls from the opposition, also members of civil society, who called for his removal over the allegations of corruption, fraud, and mismanagement at Petrojam and also at Nessol. So the letter came yesterday. In the letter, he indicated that there should be a general performance review of the ministry in light of the questions that have been raised, and he's, I guess, stepping aside so that all of that can be done without him in the way. So, accountability?
It's the right thing to do. It's the right thing to do. As I said last week.
Or the week before. When was it?
Yeah. Resigning does not say that you were involved in corruption or that you facilitated it, but unfortunately, as a minister,
It happened on your watch?
It happened under your watch. So, you know, it is, and many government ministers have resigned in the past, and we've seen them assume major government roles afterwards. So, you know, Minister, I'm glad that you did the right thing, and it is the right thing. Having said that, a lot of eyes have been on this ministry and on one agency. There needs to be a complete look everywhere, and I'm saying everywhere because of the system.
Complete.
People have said to me daily, but it's people and people mess up the system. If the system rock solid, people can't mess it up. So there's something about the system in the way we hire and the way we fire people that needs to be addressed. And we are talking about public sector transformation now for the past decade.
Quite a while.
And it's still not done. And these are the things that happen when we say things and we don't commit ourselves to getting it done.
So there's loopholes and processes and protocols that need to be looked at.
Somebody used an example and said to me, but if the same way you could have said stadium free and people still jump the wall, I say, yeah, but if you have the prison wire at the top of the stadium, nobody ain't going to try to jump that.
And if they try, they're going to end up with whatever. And after that, it's freedom problem.
So putting in the system.
Safeguards need to be in.
And the people who are supposed to be safeguarding the system. Good morning, Services Commission. And good morning, permanent secretaries. Because I don't think it's fair that usually it's the same heads rolling. The same heads rolling. It's the minister's head that's rolling. It's the executive directors or the chairman who are the people that are signing these things and approving these things. Some other heads need to start roll if we're not going to get this thing right. So, I mean, heartbreaking. Well, a lot of these individuals, I mean, I've seen them be trashed, you know,
publicly.
and you don't, Jamaica's a small place. It's hard to rebound from an experience like this. So, I mean,
according to the opposition, this is just the beginning because the investigations continue, so we'll see what happens.
Well, I mean, I'm going to charge the opposition that as the party that was in power previously, they should also know what the flaws are in the system, and it's a coming together that's needed. Simone.
Bipartisan approach.
Yeah, it's a coming together.
Politicking out the situation.
It's a coming together, man. This are people livelihood, you know.
Yeah.
Public sector workers, them work hard for liquor pay.
Yeah.
So it's people livelihood, and it's also our taxpayer money. So both parties need to come together, iron out the system, make sure the system works.
As you mentioned, public sector workers, the Prime Minister is to meet civil society groups today. Story says Prime Minister Andrew Holness is to meet with civil society groups as well as representatives of some churches, the private sector and the NIA at Jamaica House today to discuss some governance issues, including those which led to the issue that we just spoke to you guys about. The meeting was scheduled after the groups issued a joint statement to the press calling on Holness and opposition leader Dr. Peter Phillips to meet with them to discuss their concerns, as well as several recommendations that they had included in a joint letter to the PM on the 18th of July.
Well, apparently they've already met with Dr. Phillips.
Right.
So now they're meeting with the Prime Minister. But, you know, so Jamaica, we're very good at track and field. Well, we're good at sports. We're very good at the arts. I mean, I think no country good at meeting. like how we good at meeting. We love to meet. We would have meet the hours out of a day. I'm just hoping after this meeting, something comes of it.
What came out of the meeting with the opposition leader?
They said there was no public disclosure of the outcome.
So then how does that help anything?
We want at the end of the meeting, somebody say,
what came out of it?
This is what happened.
What are the next steps?
Yes. We can meet. We meet plenty, man. I wish they would pass a law that there's only X amount of meetings.
Girl.
And that a meeting don't need to be more. In this
Girl.
modern day, when you have email and WhatsApp and things, meeting and 1 for 4, 5, 6, 7 hours for a day.
8, 9.
Diminishing returns. You spend more time meeting than working.
Lady.
Yeah.
Are you going to be working this festival season? I hear you're cooking tomorrow.
I am cooking tomorrow.
It's tonight or tomorrow?
No, it's tomorrow at Emancifest.
Who are you going up against?
Me a cook up. Me not know who.
You don't need to know who the competition is.
Them could have bring Chef Boyardee. Anybody come?
They're too outside on them. She's gonna win.
Prince, if I tell you I'm gonna cook, then the person I cook against, I go know. That don't make no sense.
You can't. That's competitive advantage. She can't do that. Festival runs from today to August 6th. Official celebration period for emancipation and independence, otherwise known as Emancipendence.
Well, they don't like calling it.
If you merge the two, they don't like calling it that. No. So how we say that phrase all around the place?
We used to say it all along, but then a wise head said, you know, when we merge the two things, we almost emancipation gets kind of watered down.
Okay. All right.
So it's Jamaica Festival.
Minister Grange has been leading a program of renewal and revitalization of festival with the aim of ensuring that the celebrations are relevant, participatory, inclusive, inspirational, and highlighting the best of Jamaica's culture, values, and the achievements of its proud people. Kudos to you, Minister. But I cannot tell you, there's a lot of things that I think have just lost their luster over the years. Festival song has come and gone. One time that was a big deal. I think Norrisman won again this year, I heard on the news, but I guess that's a mixture of things because, you know, at one point the minister was saying the media houses aren't giving enough, exposure to the songs, and not playing the songs enough. So whatever it is that has caused it, it's not as celebrated a festival, I think, or an event as it used to be. I wish it would just come back.
Yeah, it's a chicken and the egg, but I use this all the time and then people curse me, but I love Jamaica. I love Carnival now. It's a Carnival test. I love Carnival. But I think we play so much more of Carnival than we do our own festival music. And we say people don't want to hear it, people want to hear it, play it. Make them tell them don't want to hear it. I know Nazaman won.
Nazaman, I said, or Norrisman? Norrisman is a reggae artist, no? Sorry about that, Nazaman.
Yeah, Nazaman.
That's what I meant to say. Apologies.
I have my own
theories,
feelings about festival,
which I think could take us straight into next week Tuesday show.
No. I've just said the way. If you Google crop over now in Barbados, you know everything that's happening. If you Google Carnival in Trinidad, they have a program that's already out and that's already being promoted.
So we don't have that.
If you want people to come to Jamaica Festival and to be a part of it, and it's not just now. So I'm not throwing a shade at this government. Is forever and ever and ever. If we don't decide that we're doing it, and this is what we're doing, and promote it early.
Yeah.
But that's why I go. That's why Trinidad have so much people that go there during them carnival time.
Okay, miss. I'm trying to Google Jamaica Festival events. What are your
But
birthdays?
I know tomorrow's Festival Queen. Mellow Go Round is on Saturday night. This I
When
know
is
for
Gala?
Sure. Gala is on Independence Day. And there's a culinary event on Thursday at the Jamaica Pegasus.
Okay.
Yeah. I think World Reggae Dance is Friday.
Okay. All right. I guess we need to try and officially get that and then disseminate it to the folks who want to go and celebrate
Yes.
this emancipation and independence. Who born today? Skip around.
Me can't find them, so happy birthday to Ono.
Why? You can't find them.
My phone line in my bag.
All right. Pauline Curlew, who is the mother of Hertha Beckman, who works here with us, has a birthday today. So happy birthday to you, Miss Curlew. Saturday, I was on the road. I went into Sangsters to buy some books for
And what
my
happened?
pumpkin, and I met a gentleman who was very helpful, who asked me to big up his daughter this morning because it's her birthday. I did not want to take the piece of paper because invariably I take pieces of paper and I lose them.
Me tell them all
And
the
he
while.
asked me to do it anyway, and sir, I do not have the paper. I think your daughter's name is Elise. I'm not sure. But if your dad works in Sangsters, I know you're watching now, and you have a birthday today, Sangsters in Tropical Plaza, then have a happy, happy, happy birthday. I'm sorry about the paper. It reached me all the way. All the way. Our daily has no birthdays, but if you're celebrating today, happy birthday to you, everybody. End of July! It's over!
All people. It's in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all